So this is my pamahawan paniudto. If you guys don't know what's pamahawan paniudto, that is breakfast and lunch. So anyways, ayan pala yung ipapahid natin sa ating saging Star Margarine, brought to you by Makatambog sa O10. Ano daw? O10. Ganon. So then it's good for the health and it's very organic. So this is what we call saging. Saging, saging, bahalag saging, basta loving. So, papartner na natin siya ng coffee. So regardless, kahit anong oras pag gigising ang auntie, lagi po tayo may kape. Dahil siya lang ang nakakagawa ng himala. Himalang nakakapugrit ka agad kahit isang amoy mo pa lang. So, ito na ang aking saging girl. O, diba? Napakasarap. So, papartneran ko yan ngayon ng Star Margarine. Star Margarine? O, ikaw na bahala. Total decision ka naman. Ang sarap niya sis kasi nag-blend yung salt niya and a little bit of sweet and then buttery. Ganon. So, ayun. Kain. Sobrang sarap sis. And then, ganyan ginagawa ko yan butter. Way! Ang sarap. Actually, pwede mo naman siya kainin na plain lang para healthy lang, babe.